Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. In this video I'm going to show you amazing website design that I have designed in a GoHighLevel, and it's for if you're a freelancer and if you're a web developer and if you are an agency and want to make your websites as a portfolio and you want to add an amazing portfolio in a GoHighLevel without any third party tool like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and you want a complete website in a GoHighLevel. I have a design I can show you, and I will also show you how I can design it. And I will show you the website, and here you can see that's the portfolio funnels moving, and here we can just put logo, and here we have some trust related, and here we have some samples funnels that I did for clients, and here we have service area, we can providing the services, and here we have clients feedback, and also here to call to actions, FAQs, and also here I have portfolio, another page, and where you can see amazing animations, and here we can add some call to action button as well, and according to the requirement we will customize it. And here we have some contact us page as well. I'll just show you here. Yeah, that's the contact us page, and I have all things I have designed in a GoHighLevel, and I will guide you step by step how I can design it. And here you can see I just take the image sections and put this here, and here I did some custom code, and I will share the code as well. And here we have call to actions. You see all things designed in a GoHighLevel. And if you want this template, super easy, it's a free of cost if you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, and also it's a free of cost if you can book free consultations and go to leadsflex.com. Here you can book a free consultation, and I will jump with your call and I will guide you step by step if you can go with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.